Hey guys, welcome to this week's Deals or Stills. I saw some repeats from the last couple weeks that I did this, and I don't want to repeat myself, and so this is new stuff. Someone asked for Huda Beauty. I didn't see any sales or deals for that, and I did look, and maybe I just didn't dig deep enough, but I did some Googling, and I didn't see any deals or stills for that brand. So for this week, we have NYX Cosmetics, 40% off site-wide. There are exclusions. It did say while supplies last, and the discount applies at checkout. There's also free gifts with $45 or more purchase. And then it says 25% off site-wide for non-account holders. And so I'm thinking that means you need to sign up on their website or put in your email address or something. And when you receive confirmation of your account or thank you for signing up or whatever, that's when you'll get the 40% off site-wide. Otherwise, you will receive 25% off site-wide. One thing I can say I do recommend are the NYX retractable eyeliners. I love these things, and I have a bunch. I have a bunch of different colors. They do not irritate my inner rims. They do not irritate my eyes, and so I do love them for that. Omnia Brushes is having 40% off select brushes, and some of their brushes look really nice. I can only use synthetic brushes because my lids and my face don't tolerate natural hair brushes, and so if you're into synthetic brushes or if you just want a few for whatever reason, you can check their website and see which ones are 40% off. Makeup by Mario is having 25% off site-wide for a limited time. There was no end date, and it says no code is needed for that sale. Perricone MD, which is an expensive skincare brand, they have a $205 set for $50, and it did say while supplies last. This is valid through April 28th, and so if you know you like what's in the set, then it is a good, that's actually a steal. So $50 is the cost for this $205 value set. And what this set is, it's an advanced firming trio. And I'm going to read to you what it says. This potent set provides visible firming while reducing the look of deep wrinkles and creases on the face and eye area. And did I say the discount is applied at checkout? Did I say that? And no code is needed. I do think I said no code is needed. Sigma anniversary sale is still ongoing. There is no end date that I saw, and you will get up to 40% off, and the code is 15 years. And so what that means, because you need a code to get the up to 40% off, you cannot use anybody else's code. But for those of us who have affiliate links, you can get to the website through our link and still have access to the sale. I do have a shop my link below, and Joe Beauty 87 also has the link below, but you will not be able to use her code if you're going to use the 15 years code for the up to 40% off. I want some more of those brushes that I purchased. I want 2 more of the 3 that I purchased, but I'm waiting for a sale, and I did use her code for that, and it did give me a discount, but I'm wanting a bigger sale because I have no brushes, so I feel like I could wait. Milani is having 20% off site-wide and is free shipping. The code is Spring Sale. The sale ends April 27th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are some exclusions. It excludes new items, and then there's other exclusions, and you cannot combine it with other deals. And so if you're looking for Milani stuff, which is fairly inexpensive compared to some of the other brands I mentioned, except for NYX Cosmetics, 20% off site-wide and it's free shipping. You'll just have to see what the exclusions are. And so that's it for this week, y'all. We're getting shorter and shorter. And I think the hub of when the sales were happening is almost over, because the first episode of this, there were sales left, right, everywhere. And now I'm like looking and looking and looking and looking. And I intentionally did not go on QVC because we know QVC sometimes does have good deals anyway. So that's going to be it for this week. Let me know if you're interested in anything on here. The least expensive would be Milani and NYX Cosmetics. Makeup by Mario is kind of mid-range as far as price. The few things I've tried from his brand, it wasn't really for me. The quality was okay, but I had other stuff that I liked better. But if you know that there are some Makeup by Mario products that you like, then go ahead and take advantage of the 25% off site-wide for a limited time. Again, it didn't say when it ends. And so, yeah, that's going to be it, y'all. So I'm like, I need to find more stuff, where this is going to end up being like 2 minutes next Saturday. So anyway, thank you for being here. And even though I didn't do the intro, as always, self-acceptance, self-love, that is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you, and you will see me soon.